Good morning and welcome. This is your daily outlook for the 21st of August, brought to you by CommexFX. The euro declined 0.47% against the US dollar and closed at 1.3258. The US dollar gained ground after the US Fed, in the minutes of its latest policy meeting, highlighted the improvement in the nation's economy. In Europe, the German Chancellor Angela Merkel urged the Eurozone leaders to come forward and coordinate more closely to repair the construction flaws to overcome the debt crisis in the Eurozone. The pair is expected to find support at 1.3222, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.3196. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.3295, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.3342. Trading trends in the pair today are expected to be determined by service and manufacturing PMIs from Germany, France, as well as the Eurozone. Investors would also keenly await the Jackson Hole 3-day symposium, which is slated to commence later in the day. The British pound fell 0.14% against the US dollar and closed at 1.6596. The greenback strengthened as the minutes of its latest Fed meeting was hawkish. However, the pound gained earlier after the Bank of England minutes from its last policy meeting indicated that two policymakers from the rate-setting committee surprisingly voted in favor of a rate hike in August, marking the first split in more than 3 years. The pair is expected to find support at 1.65421, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.6506. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.6646, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6716. Trading trends in the pound today would be determined mainly by retail sales data from the UK. The US dollar strengthened 0.78% against the Japanese yen and closed at 103.72. Data released earlier this morning indicated that the manufacturing sector continued to expand in Japan, following a rise to 52.4 in August. Markets were expecting it to climb to a level of 51.7. The pair is expected to find support at 103.19, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 102.51. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 104.25, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 104.65. The US dollar rose 0.46% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9135. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9108, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.9073. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 0.9162, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9181. Going forward, market participants would focus on Swiss trade balance, scheduled in a few hours. That concludes our daily outlook for the 21st of August. Make sure you check out our new affiliate program. The CommexFX Introducing Broker program is one of the most rewarding in the Forex industry. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a nice and profitable day.